Okay, Sid, I'm going to show you an example for arithmetic sequence whereby given question -4, -8 and -12. So the question asks us to find A and D. Okay, first, so as we have learned, A is the first term. So the first term in this question is -4. Now we want to find D. D can be found by using this formula. So I have T2 minus T1. So I have -8 minus 4. So we get -4. So the D answer is -4. Okay, now let's do for the second question. P, which is find the 15th term. Okay, find the T15. T15 can be calculated. The formula to find T is A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. So V is N, our N is 15. So A plus 14 multiplied by D is -4. So A is -4 plus 14 multiplied by 4 is 56. So -56. So -4 plus -56. The answer is -60. So the 15th term will be -60. Okay, now we are going to find sum 15. Okay, the formula to find sum 15 will be n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. Okay, now so 15 over 2 -4 plus this is the same value, which is 56. Okay, so you can calculate -8 minus 56. We have -64. -64 divided by 2, -32 multiplied by 15. The answer is -480. So you can double check your answer using calculator. -480. Okay, so this is how you solve the question for arithmetic. This is a formula to calculate your D, the difference between the sequence, the terms, and this is how you calculate your sum. Okay, now let's see the second question. You are given 3 x, and 9. So the first term is 3 and the term fourth is 9. Okay, from this question, we want to find the D, T11 and S20. Okay, we want to find the D. So you know that A is 3 and T4 is 9. So D you can find by Tn minus 1, isn't it? Okay, now we know that T4 is 9. Okay. Okay, So beside this formula, we also can use the formula of Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so T4 equals to A plus 4 minus 1 d. Okay, we know is 9, this is 3, this is 3, and this is d. This is plus. So 9 minus 3, we have 3d. So 9 minus 3 is 6, we have 3d. So d is 2. Okay, so we have find the value of d. Now we are going to find the value for, this is the first question. This is the second question. We are going to find the value for T11. Okay, so we have 3 plus 10 multiplied by 2. So 23. Okay, and the last one is to find S10. Okay, so the formula is n over 2 2a n minus 1 plus d. Okay, so 10 over 2 to 3 plus 9 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 5 6 plus 18. 5, this is 24. So the answer is 120. S10. Okay, so this question here, I'm finding the D. Okay, from the value of D, I'm able to find the T11 and S20. The important thing is you have to know how to find A, D, because this is two variable that very needed in all the formula given. Okay.